Facile à écouter et à retenir, phrase en anglais. Est-il venu hier?
Did he come yesterday? Did he come yesterday? Did he come yesterday?
Vous ont-ils parlé?
Did they speak to you? Did they speak to you? Did they speak to you?
Je ne suis pas contre toi.
I am not against you. I am not against you. I am not against you.
Il habite en face de moi.
He lives opposite me. He lives opposite me. He lives opposite me.
Notre ferme est grande.
Our farm is large. Our farm is large. Our farm is large.
Ils l'ont compris.
They understood it. They understood it. They understood it.
Nous pourrions lire sa poésie.
We could read his poetry. We could read his poetry. We could read his poetry.
Elle vivait à la campagne.
She lived in the country. She lived in the country. She lived in the country.
Il m'a aidé.
He helped me. He helped me. He helped me.
Il a trop mangé.
He ate too much. He ate too much. He ate too much.
Ils ont bu de l'eau.
They drank water. They drank water. They drank water.
Il a lu ma traduction.
He read my translation. He read my translation. He read my translation.
Il semble être assez malade.
He seems to be quite ill. He seems to be quite ill. He seems to be quite ill.
Voulait-il me voir?
Did he want to see me? Did he want to see me? Did he want to see me?
Les enfants se sont-ils battus?
Did the children fight? Did the children fight? Did the children fight?
Allez-vous travailler?
Will you work? Will you work? Will you work?
Il ne le fera pas.
He will not do this. He will not do this. He will not do this.
Je t'aiderai.
I will help you. I will help you. I will help you.
Qu'est-ce qu'ils vont faire?
What will they do? What will they do? What will they do?
Ils le trouveront facilement.
They will easily find him. They will easily find him. They will easily find him. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, I'm wondering if you can use any of these expressions in the comments. Let me know which one of these you would like to use. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you again for a new lesson on my YouTube channel. Bye.